Hey guys, welcome back. Today is a super awesome day as I come with so much goodies you don't wanna miss. In this tutorial, I will show you how to add the vintage retro Super 8 film look to your videos. And that's why you need to know about our sponsors for this video. AEjuice is an all-in-one toolkit with tons of elements for video creators like transitions, titles, VFX, and more. It works with popular softwares like Premiere Pro, Davinci Resolve, Final Cut, After Effects, and Filmora. I love the animated markers, seamless transitions, color grading LUTs, and the old film constructor pack, which lets you easily add that vintage look to your videos. Get started with their free starter pack, link in the description below. For now, let's dive in and see how it works. What makes it great is that you get a panel that you can use inside your program. In Premiere Pro, go to Window, Extensions, and it opens up as a panel. You can access all the free assets, including the ones you have purchased. Another good thing about the panel is that you don't have to be importing your effects every time. They're all stored here, very well organized, and you can preview them as well, and it's really easy to use. In this tutorial, we're going to use the old film constructor pack. You have probably seen some of these elements in use in music videos, travel videos, films, commercials, documentaries, just to create that old film look and feel. Open up the old film constructor pack in the panel. We have so many categories to choose from. Here, you can see I already have a thrilling video. It's a scene from a short film that we shot a while ago, Milango Zetu, that you can check it out on the link in the description below. To begin, drag and drop the dust and scratch video overlay, which is our first overlay, to the timeline and put it on top of the footage. In case you are working in a sequence that is different from the resolution of your overlay, right-click on the video overlay and choose Set to Frame Size. By doing this, the video will be scaled to match the size or resolution of the sequence. Next, we will change the blend mode so that we can only see the white parts, scratches, and dust in our clip. Select Screen as the blend mode. And since this overlay video is not long enough to cover our video clip, we can loop it by duplicating and placing them one after the other. Next, we will add the film bands overlay video. I'll put this one on top of the other two videos. Again, set to frame size in case the resolution is different. Then, change the blend mode to screen. And since this overlay video is not long enough to cover our video clip, we can loop it by duplicating and placing them one after the other. Then we can add the next overlay, which is a Super 8 projector that shows an empty film. Right-click and choose Set to Frame Size. With this, we only want to see what is behind the white or lighter parts of the overlay, so choose the Darken Blend mode. And since this overlay video is not long enough to cover our video clip, we can loop it by duplicating and placing them one after the other. So far, we have given our video this look by just adding 3 overlay videos. We are going to use colors in the next step. Choose the video clip and then go to Lumetri Scope panel. If you can't find this panel, activate it by clicking here in the window menu at the top and then here on the timeline to the right. Let's start by reducing the contrast. Adjust the shadows and whites as well. You will see a slightly washed out effect in the dark areas of our clip when we increase the blacks. In order to stop it from being too black, let's also slightly raise the highlights before lowering the saturation. Remember that you may require different values for your clips. Then let's go to the color wheels tab and add subtle increase of green to the midtones. This is right. Now that the image looks too sharp for a Super 8 video, we are going to apply some Gaussian blur. When you add this to the bottom clip and adjust the blurriness to 5 in the effects controls window, the video begins to look like a Super 8 film. The offset is the next effect we are going to add. After adding this to the video track, activate keyframes for shift center in the effect controls panel. Let's move forward a few frames and then adjust the position to increase a second keyframe. Move forward a few frames and then click this symbol to reset the values, and this will set the third keyframe. We have created a small offset glitch using these few keyframes. You can obviously add more than one of these glitches, but in this case we are good to go. The best way to recreate the frame rate of a Super 8 film is by adding the next effect. Look for the posterized time effect in the effects panel. When you apply this effect to the bottom video layer, you can see that the frame rate of the video is 24 frames per second here at the effects controls panel. Let us change the 24 frames per second to 18 frames per second, which is the frame rate for Super 8 videos. You may need to render your project for this posterized time effect to play smoothly on the timeline. Click anywhere on the timeline and then press the enter key. This is what we have. That's the end of this Premiere Pro tutorial. I hope this is what you're searching for. Don't forget to visit and view more content and click the subscribe button. Kwaheri until the next one.